Hey beauties, welcome back to my channel. If you guys are new to my channel, my name is Evelyn. I'm one of the beauty influencer. I do a lot of makeup videos, product reviews, lifestyle, fashion, health and fitness, and all that other jazz. And in today's video, I'm actually going to introduce you to a product which is really beneficial for your overall health and your long-term skincare issues as well. So I actually had an opportunity to work with this brand and try their product, so I'm really happy to make this video because I have found a really good product for you guys. Before I share this amazing product with you all, I just want to request and say, if you guys are new to my channel, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and the notification bell, so every time I'm posting a video you will get a notification. And also don't forget to like this video and give us a thumbs up so I can know you like this content, so I can share more of this type of content with you all. So yeah, let's just not waste any more time and get into this video. So yeah, see you in a bit. Okay beauty, so I am going to share one of the products I've been testing out from past few days, and I came across this product and I have a opportunity to try it myself before I can actually tell you if it's good or not. So it is from a brand called Solensis. This is the product and it's their NMN Powder. It is basically a dietary supplement. Now, when you say dietary supplement, it actually sounds really wrong because you should get all the benefits from your diet, but adding this in my routine has made a huge difference. So as a mom, I have to tell you guys this. As a mom, sometimes what happens to me is I wake up in the morning with a lot of energy and a lot of stamina and everything, but by 2-3 o'clock I've started to feel like my energy level is going really down. This was one of the reasons I started looking for a product which is going to boost my energy so I can keep going throughout the day. So I was looking for some things which can fix this issue for me instead of me keep drinking Red Bull. And so I came across this product and I was really curious to try, and I got myself this one. I read the ingredients, I read what it's about. It sound really good. It does not contain GMO, egg, dairy, soya, gluten, artificial flavors or any other flavors. It is lab tested, it's FDA approved, it's vegan, it's cruelty free, GMO free, and it's amazing. So as I said, so I haven't I started taking this around 3 or 4 days ago, and I have noticed a bit of a difference in my energy. So let me tell you a little bit about this powder, what the hell this is basically. So NMN is actually a dietary supplement which helps with the signs of aging. When we talk about products which are in the field of anti-aging or helps to slow the process of aging, Solensis is a very big name. So if you go and Google it and read about it, you're gonna get to know how good this brand is. The key benefits, I'm going to read it for you, which I find it while I was doing my research. I have my notes here so I don't forget anything. So if I'm looking at my book, because there is so much to remember and I want to tell you everything, so I'm going to read it down from my notebook so you will understand what the benefits are and all that. So some of the key health benefits which I really caught my eye and I put it in my notebook, because when I was looking for something like this, I was searching which can fix all these issues for me. So main thing is it slows down the signs of aging, it repairs and protects your DNA, which is amazing. It really helps with your brain health, so it really promotes your brain health even more, and it really helps to boost your metabolism and overall energy. So you will notice a change in your mood, so you feel more happy, more energetic, more uplifting, instead of feeling bad mood swings or really always feeling down or overwhelmed and stuff like that. It helps with your overall energy level as well, and you actually get to have a good beauty sleep as well. We all need our beauty sleep if we want our skin to look healthy, glowy, and all that, refreshed, not like aged or anything. We have to have a good sleep as well. So these are some of the key benefits which I found, and I just thought I need to share with you all. Now, most important thing is how to take it. So you're only supposed to take it 500 milligram of this product. So when you open this, you will notice it's very small amount in there, and you will think, did they send me the half container or something? But you really only need 5 milligram, and you can actually use a scale, a proper scale, to measure that amount, so you don't take it too much. So basically you just put a little bit, literally just little bit, 500 milligram, just take it. If I kind of been taking it for a few days, so I know exactly how much it is. So, and you just literally can put it right under your tongue, or you can even mix it with your water. So you can just do it. And it literally dissolves in your mouth. It doesn't have any sort of flavor, so it's not like you're gonna put it in your mouth and you're gonna feel like it, oh my god, what did I had? It's literally flavorless, so you won't feel anything like you've taken something and you don't like it. It gives you a bad taste in your mouth or anything like that. But if you don't feel comfortable putting it under your tongue, you can always mix it with the glass of water and drink it as you drink your water. So one thing I was struggling the most, especially from past month and a half, was my energy level, and I have noticed a huge difference from past 4 days since I started taking this. It's amazing. I feel a difference in my overall energy. I feel difference in my overall mood. I even feel it like I want to get up and do things, because there was a time when I was actually sleeping good 9-10 hours, and I was waking up feeling like I'm still tired or I'm still want to go to sleep. So it's really uplifting me, my overall health and my overall mood as well, when I just want to get up and do things. So as I said, this is a really good, really, I just showed you exactly how to take it as well. You do have two options. You can either do it the way I did it, or you can add it in your water. This is from, once again, this is from Solensis, and it's their NMN dietary supplement powder. So yeah, I'll add all the details in the description box below. So thank you so much for watching this video, and I will see you guys next time. Love you all. Take care. Bye guys.